Welcome back to Marino Custom Works. Today we're following up on a recent project we had to repair interior walls that were affected by salt damage, otherwise known as efflorescence. If you saw the last video, you know that we tried out a new product that promises to bond with the salt and keep it from bleeding through the walls. So how well did it do? Let's dive in and take a closer look. In this house there were 4 problem areas: 2 walls below and around windows, 1 corner wall, and a concrete ceiling beam. It's important to note that all of these spots are on the inside of exterior facing walls, and we also took measures to seal the exterior of the house. Keep that in mind as it could influence the results of this review. Here's the product we ordered from Amazon, Spain. It's a solvent similar in consistency to grout sealer that can be applied to bare cement or grout with a brush, roller, or rag. We tested it out on all 4 areas. Well, let's see how well it performed. First up, the walls below these windows. These were some of the worst areas with paint peeling, chipping, and bare spots everywhere. We treated them with the product, applied primer and paint, and here we are 3 months later, after a season of heavy winter rainstorms. We have mixed results. The first window looks fantastic with no visible signs of efflorescence. However, the second window already has signs of efflorescence returning, clearly seen here on the bottom right side. Now I do want to point out that we also sealed the volcanic stone borders on the exterior of the windows with Sika 700 and siliconed around the shutters, windows, and sill. So if you're tackling a similar issue, I recommend a holistic approach to sealing both the interior and exterior. Next we have the corner wall. This area was treated the same way on the inside, but it's below ground level and we didn't take any action on the outside. The results? We have visible signs of efflorescence returning in some areas. That's not great news and an unimpressive result for the product in this scenario. Now for the concrete ceiling beam. Unfortunately, this area did not fare well either. Efflorescence has returned to the bottom of the beam. For context, this beam sits below a roof drain, and we even took steps to seal the drain. In defense of the product, there are a couple of possibilities here. One, we may not have been able to apply enough product to the bottom side to fully saturate the beam. 2, the beam could have been so saturated with moisture that it needed to escape somewhere. With gravity at play, the moisture and salt likely pushed out through the bottom. While the product didn't work in this instance, it certainly was a tough challenge. So there you have it, mixed results. The product seemed to help in some areas, but it's no magic fix. If you're dealing with efflorescence, I recommend combining this product with sealing exterior entry points for the best results. Also, I've heard of impregnating the walls with the product by drilling holes, pouring in the product, and later patching may be a way of increasing the effectiveness. If you've tried this method or any other products, please drop it in the comments section below. Thanks for watching. If you found this demonstration helpful, stay tuned for further upcoming strategies to keep efflorescence and damp walls at bay. There will be other product reviews on this subject and more. Also, check out the playlist above for other projects you might find interesting. Until next time, have a great day.